Welcome to Pinetop-Lakeside. Out here you can buy a horse property for around $565,000. Come check it out. Okay, so we have just entered this amazing home. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,300 square feet. This front fireplace area opens up to the family room. You have these amazing tall ceilings. Storage in here is pretty good. So you have this area right here as soon as you enter. So you get a coat closet. Get some pretty brick back there. So this home has a ton of character, a ton of potential. You have this kitchen nook area. So pretty decent size. Opens back up to that family room. Which leads us back here to my favorite room in the whole house. Look at those ceilings. So this is an amazing, amazing room. So many different options. It's laid out pretty nice. Great size. You can go outside right here to this amazing backyard, but we will wait to go there, finish taking a look at this beautiful home. So you have this back bedroom, you have French doors, some great views in this room. You can enter outside through here. And beautiful. All right, a little sneak peek. Let's head back through the rest of the house. So this room right here connects to this area. So you could use this as a primary bedroom. You do have a full bathroom. Granite countertops, and this amazing shower. So it's fully tiled from floor to ceiling. It looks like a travertine, double heads. So pretty cool space, private throne area. And then you have this walk-in closet. And then there's this really cool window area up there. See some natural light. And this brings us into the laundry room. And there's that wonderful overhead light. So this is a cool little nook. Some more storage space. Actually, this is a hot water heater right here. It's in newer condition. You get your washer and dryer. And walk back into here. So you have this great bedroom, super good size, great views. And this does have its own bathroom. So you get a full tub and shower combo. They do have a newer sink with some quartz countertops. And another bedroom. So pretty good sized rooms. And the last secondary bedroom. This one's a little smaller. but it does have views of this beautiful tree. And the tree is white. Not sure if you can see it. Very, very pretty. So we are up in Arizona. Arizona's just not hot. We also have cooler temperatures out here. A little bit more cabin feel. Another bathroom right here. So you get the whirlpool tub, fully tiled. And it's a great size room. Lots of space in that bathroom. And we are back out here. We are back here. There was a chicken earlier. So this property right here, you can have horses, which is pretty awesome. And it's in the heart of Pinetop-Lakeside. So a pretty cool location, things to do, but yet you're far out enough where you feel like you're camping in the country. And again, this is no HOA. It is considered county, so you get a little bit more freedom. And you have this turnout arena. This property also has a 2-car garage that's detached. A little barn area back here. The whole property is fenced in, which is wonderful. If you have pets or little kids, it's going to work out great. Believe it or not, this home was built in 1983 and had some updates in 2025. All right, just trying to show you how large this property is. So it is up here, and you do use propane. There's no gas. This property already has a pretty large propane tank on it, ready to go for the new owners. I'm sure there's some fees that are involved with having it here. Oh, so peaceful, so peaceful. We're gonna head back this way. This home right here, taxes on it are only $2,045. This home is also in the Blue Ridge School District. Some fun facts of the day. And if you haven't already, please feel free to hit that like, that subscribe button, comment below. Would love to get your feedback. This home up here is priced at only $565,000. So pretty big bang for your buck. Pretty good size lot. And it's just very, 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 very peaceful out here. There's a lot of character with all the trees. Just a cool vibe. So this right here is that workshop. And as you can see, it's pretty big. Definitely easily fit 2 cars in here. Probably 2 trucks, depending on what size trucks they are, but could convert this into half workshop. I mean, it's a pretty large garage. So yes, if you've enjoyed this property tour, please make sure you pay attention to the videos I'll be listing in the next couple weeks. There's going to be some amazing finds all over the valley. I'm always here to help. Have an awesome day.